Hello to you that is watching this video. This video is a tutorial but also a call. We need you to serve the good cause of the Lynx. On the Lynx, you have something that is called WebXR. And WebXR is the ability to play virtual and augmented reality application in the headset. And it doesn't care of which headset, it just cares that it runs on a web browser. So it's Safari, Chrome, stuff like that. And in the headset, we have something called Wolfik, something like that, that allow us to play WebXR application. So the point is that you don't have a lot of game on Lynx for the moment, but you have plenty of game on WebXR, like 100,000, something like that, maybe 100 that will fit correctly the Lynx. I don't know. So what I need you to do is to follow this tutorial, to launch some game on your headset, and when you find a game that suits the Lynx, to put it in the comment of this YouTube video or to put it in the GitHub that will be in the description of this video. Okay, so I teach you how to do, but you promise me to, at least for one game, try to find one game that is playable over there and put it in one of the comment section. So let's start it. So how can you play WebXR? You have here a web page, and if I tap WebXR game, I will fall on some game that should be playable in WebXR. Okay, for example, cursed listener. Okay, so open source game, yeah. For the Verblog game, Ballista, we'll try this one. Okay, so this is a game, and it should be a WebXR game. I don't know if it is one or not. Okay, so what happened is that I need to go here inside quests, in the stuff. So I will stream my screen. 0. Max FPS 50. Start streaming. Okay, so what happened here, as you can see, I'm in one of the WebXR game just earlier, and as you can see, I can take some object like this. It's because I have my microphone. Ta-da! I can so that's one of the game that is currently playable. There's plenty of small game like this that you can play. And the idea is that if you want to go in this game, you need to go here. Type. And then go and launch the game. But as you can see, it won't be a good idea to do it like this, because you will have to type a lot or know a website. Okay, so what I propose you to do is, first of all, first technique that don't require a lot of technical part, you go to where are you? Okay, I will take anyone. No. You go on GitHub. You go on my website for links to learn links. Here you tap WebXR. Up. And we have this one over there. And this one, it's a post that I created here where I want to list some WebXR games that are playable. So as you can see, this link is more easy to type. So you can go in Wolfik, you type this link, then you pin it, you mark book it to your web browser. Like that, every time you want to test a new game, you go on this link and ta-da, you can do it. The stuff is that, I like this technique, but it's kind of bit of a lot of time and it's pain in the ass. So what I'm proposing to you to do is better, I think. You go in here, Lynx portal. So you go on the website of Lynx, you subscribe to Lynx, you go enter the portal. Okay, here you have download. you will go and download, and you will download the the demo manager. This stuff allow you to speak with Lynx locally on your machine. So you download like this, pop up, you unzip it because it's zipped by default. Okay, so now we will have this small folder over there, Lynx default manager. I show you in the other video how it's working. So if you launch this, you will be able to see some information about the Lynx, launch some application, do some stuff, okay? And what we want to do is not to use that, it would be cool, but it's more to use ADB, and ADB is this stuff over there. But the stuff that is ADB is using by command line. So here on the top, you write CMD for command, CMD. When you do that, here you can type some ADB command. ADB device will show me the device that are over there on the PC. And what happens is that when you tap ADB, it will speak with this application, and device will say, I want to see the list of device. Okay? So in the link that I just showed you earlier, that is the game we can play on WebXR, I gave you this beautiful line over there. So what we do, we say, ADB, I want to launch a small script, and I want you to start Android view. Android view, it means launch the browser. And the argument is use this URL, this link of the web. So if you take this here, okay, and you go here and you type this, what you will be able to see is that, ta-da, I'm on the web page here. So what I can do is that I go down, I click any link, like this one. As you can see, it will launch the WebXR application. Shit, I did something bad. I don't know what. I think I click on the wrong, it's because of that, I think. Up. Come on, you can do it, you can do it. Take this one. Create the scene, okay. And do you have a WebXR Enter VR? And I have my stuff. Oh, the small character over there. So yeah, the game is launched. I don't know what is this game. Huh? It's just a game. But as you can see, you can launch the game on the device. Okay, it's not about only games. It's plenty of stuff. So now I'm in the game. I want to switch off another game. Okay, what you do? You go here. You say I want to test this one. Okay, so you press the arrow on your keyboard to be able to say I want to the previous command over there. You remove my link and you put the link you want to visit. You press and ta-da! It's opening Wolfik at the good place to start a new experiment. Yeah, enable microphone. Yes. This I launch in VR. Ta-da! It's the stuff is that when you launch a WebXR application or WebVR, it downloads everything to be able to be played. So it's small application, and when it's small application, it means that it's 3, 5, 10 MO. You need to download it to understand it before it can be launched. And so, ta-da! I'm in a new game. It's a kind of a portal or I don't know what. So all these games are usually a little bit of crap. I mean, it's game. They are working, they are playable, but as you have to make the game really small to be able to fit on the web browser and not having like 100 megabytes to download when you want to play, it's like 5, 10, 20 megabytes, so the texture will always be kind of bad. But the idea is that it's taking the power of your computer to be able to run. So it's really using your graphic card, your CPU and stuff like that. It's just that they try to make a game small. And so, yeah, now that you know what is a WebXR application, now that you know how to launch an ADB command from the launcher of Lynx to be able to see some beautiful WebXR game, it's your time to work. So, you go on the web, you look around for video game, any video game on WebXR. If it's a cool one you want to share, you go in the comment section of this YouTube video or on the Git that you saw here in the video, and you put the link. Okay? And like that, we will be able to have a small collection of game to be played on Lynx, and we'll be able to do a small application that you have a small icon, a small description, and the link to the stuff to play. Okay? So I hope that you learned something. I hope that you will participate to this video and activity. I see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye, and may the code be with you.